Even a bit of rain, it's lovely and warm. Oh, this is great. We're heading north, by the way. Not sure where yet, can't give me any directions, but...
You need the way there, you've got that one?
No, I ain't got the map. Give me where do you think we're heading?
Oh, it's up north.
Definitely give you so much more freedom when you're on a bike around the island. You know, for 200 baht or whatever it was a day, what's 200 baht? 3 or 4 quid, something like that. Pretty cheap. I got it on video as well. I got it on video as well, that one. Oh, he's a loud one. That's a loud one, my one. Apparently it'd take about 4 hours to go around the island if you wanted to do the complete loop. Stop in and bits and bobs, you know, obviously not too long at each place, but we're just going to head north, I think, wherever that is. Can't never ever get a straight answer out of this lot. Oh. Being out and about is just fantastic. What little village is this? So the kickboxing place there. In the Big Buddha village. We can't go up there though because we're not covered up, apparently. It's a Buddhist thing. Let's not do it. Oh. Well, they've gone out there. Well, you're not supposed to. I don't know. What's the rules now? There's some rules there. Hang on. Avio.
130 ลบ110ยายเราต้องให้ยายเท่าไหร่นั่นแหละต้องลบให้ยายเพราะยายคืนฉันมาแล้ว 130 บาทนะเดี๋ยวเอาให้ยายเพราะยายคืนฉันมาแล้วไปนะคุณที่จะเก่งเสียจางอย่างไม่รู้อะไรบ้างขึ้นไหมขึ้นไหมขึ้นถึงไหมหนึ่งขึ้นถึง
Sorry.
ขึ้นบันไดหรือ
There she blows, the big Buddha. Hey, what's that? What? Where? Oh yeah. Hey? Yeah, but it's not right. I felt uncomfortable. Yeah, I didn't see that. Yeah, you got to play.
But you should get something you can wrap around your legs.
Hey?
Can
we have the ice cream shop, please? Oh, it's so peaceful, isn't it?
Wear any clothes like this, precisely.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Not a bad view. Not a bad view. Right, so we're on the way to Thongson Bay. I think that's how you pronounce it. A restaurant there, a bit of grub later, a chill, coffee, beer, and whatever else takes our fancy. Chicken! I'd say they're as bad as our roads on these back roads. Watch out for the trucks. Beach. Hey, the monkeys. Taking us off the beaten track, a bit of motocross. Still got it. Lewis Lloyd. Perfect. Oh. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Good spot this is. Look at it.
I looked at a video.
Did you? What, to buy or rent? Oh, is it?
Oh, you know that?
What happened? Hey? You what?
He said he didn't want to stay.
Oh. Got to ruin it for everyone, hasn't
I think it's in there.
he? In there?
I think it's in there.
Ooh. Yeah.
I can't think of a nicer place to have one.
No. This beach is, the water's nice as well, isn't it?
Water's lovely, it's cooler as well.
What a spot. Right, I'm going to wander around the coastline. Nice. Hello. How are you? Oh yes. Look at this. Oh yes. Yeah, having this. Jungle Adventures. The zip's done up at the back, Egg.
Sorry?
My zips, are they done up at the back? They're not flapping about the pockets. No?
Hey, hang on. There's fucking these blue leads hanging down near the fucking wheel, right?
Is it? Tuck it inside that bit.
Put it through there. Slide it through, won't fall out then, will it?
Yeah, true. Keep your motor running. So I map us back, or are we alright?
Yeah, got it.
Hang on, then I'll map us back. Left.
Go
Left
that
here.
way.
Yeah.
Left, turn right.
Keep your motor running. That's those villa entrance to those villas there. Keep your motor running. Yep. Hey. Some nice resorts up here, ain't there? Bit out of the way though, Egg, isn't it? Don't you think?
Well, you have to have a lot of money to send it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why people don't come, I think.
Out of the way.
Huh?
What, down that side? Yeah, we're following you.
No. Well, you said you had it on the map.
Yeah, that's to here.
No, to the lake.
Yeah.
The lake, innit? Down there. Well, this just goes back into Swang, I think. Like,
Yeah, it does.
the other end, like,
Yeah,
because of the one-way bit.
yeah. This is it, is it?
Turn left, then make a U-turn.
They've shifted them out a little bit, haven't they? We can go this way though, can't we? That way. It says... Yeah, I could do with a nice drink now, to be honest.
Quite tiring, isn't it?
It's hot though, isn't it? Even going along, it's bloody hot. You leaving your helmet in it?